Hello guys. So this is my first YouTube video. Today I'll be discussing about some important JavaScript functions, which is way more important for the interview as well. So if you check out these functions, this will definitely one or two of the functions from this list will definitely asked to you in your interview. I think this will be really helpful for you guys. Okay, so let's start the video. So I am showing you that there is a set of array, five set of objects inside one array. So I'm showing you how I can manipulate it, how I can manipulate the this array with the required data. Like there you can see we have ID index, which is a unique GUID. That is the unique one. We have separate thing. We have also separate unique GUID. We have pictures, age, eye color, name, gender, company, email. So like if you don't need these huge details of any particular individual, if you want only the gender, company, email, phone, or the address, how you can manipulate this total array of objects with your specific required data. So for that, this is a dummy JSON. You can say dummy JSON with the five set of objects inside one array. Now I will show you how I can manipulate it to fetch the required data inside a particular array. Okay. So let's put some name of this array. Let data. I'm putting the name as data. Okay, now I will do one thing. At first I will use the, for this video I'll be using the for loop. Okay, going forward I'll be using more loops, more different kind of criteria for using loops like while, like for each. We can use the filter and so many other things, but in this video I'll be discussing about the push functionality. Okay, so let's do it. So I will do like for let I equals to 0, I less than the array length data dot length, then I plus. Okay, then what I will do, so that means the data of I, it will give us the first index, then it will go for the second index, then it will go for the third index, and so on and so forth. So before that I will be making a new array. So for that I have to mention one new array name, like new array equals to an array sign, then we will be doing like new array dot push will be put this object sign. So then I need some required data, which is I have already told you, like I need this unique ID, and then I need this is active status, then I need this balance, this picture, age, name, gender, company. Okay, so I will be taking this data only. So for that, let's beautify it a little, then we will do, well, I'm multi-selecting each line. Before that I will be doing this. Okay, so data, so this way we can fetch from the JavaScript functions and from in a JavaScript. So data I, that means it will give us the first object. Okay, so data of I, now from I will be start from 0. So as I started the I from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4, it will go for the fourth index. That means we will be having the 5 data. So data of I dot underscore ID, and the same thing I will be doing, only I will change this name, like is active, this one is balance, picture, age, name, gender, and the company. Okay, so our array is ready. This is, you can see that is the key and the value of that particular key. So key value pair. Okay, now you will see that our old array, it's completely modified into a new array with this required data only. You will not find any extra data. So let's see how we can check that. So we will do some console log in here, as I can show you that this is a JavaScript file. So you can do the console log, it will be visible in the command prompt. So for that you have to do node the file name, that is array.js. Okay, you can see that your array has modified with the data. One thing I need to mention, that if you want to run any JavaScript file, you can do the node and that particular file name. That file should be saved with the .js extension, only then it will run. So you do node and that file name .js, it will give you the result. So this way, push helps us to modify our old array into a new array. Okay, so in this video I will be only discussing about the push. Maybe in the next video I'll be going for the while loop. Okay, so thank you. If you like my video, please do like to my video, and please share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.